fylgir ljós í blá. Tíð mun draumar vakna. The night unfolds with whispered songs. Draumaland hvor sælir svífa, handan tíma, handan norðar. Ljós og mörk bundin saman, a place where all things come to be.
Lincoln Castle is a major medieval castle constructed in Lincoln, England, during the late 11th century by William the Conqueror on the site of a pre-existing Roman fortress. The castle is unusual in that it has two mottes, that is a mound or hill serving as a site for a Norman castle.
The river sings of endless time.
Displayed within the castle is one of only 4 surviving exemplars of the Magna Carta of 1215. Lincoln Castle has a long history as a place of imprisonment, with dungeons used for confinement dating back to the 11th century.